Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm really excited to try out this mascara from the brand IL MAKIAGE. It's their Black Card Lift, Curl, and Lengthen Mascara. And so I got this in my July 2021 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. And if you have not seen my unbagging of that, I'll have that video linked in the description down below. But I was really happy to get this because I love trying out mascaras. I am very picky with my mascaras. But one of my favorite mascaras I ever had, this was a while ago, I finished it up a long time ago, was an IL MAKIAGE mascara. And that mascara was in the silver tube. It was called the Icon Mascara. And I can have my review video of that linked in the description down below if you want to check that out as well. But because of that, I'm so excited to try out this one here, and it sounds really nice. It's expensive. It retails for $25. But it's 100% vegan and cruelty-free, which is awesome to find in a mascara. And it says it's supposed to lengthen and curl for a dramatic, wide-eyed look. And I have very straight out lashes, and I really struggle for them to have a curl. Even when I do use the lash curler, they don't even stay curled. And today I didn't even use a lash curler, so we're gonna see just how curling this is on its own. But I really hope that it actually does add some curls to my lashes because I really want that. Ooh, and here's the packaging. I really like it. The matte white. All right, so let's check out the wand. Ooh. This is very interesting. It only has bristles on one side, which is interesting. Like, why would it be like that? But it is the type of bristles that I typically like in my mascara wands, which are the silicone rather than the brush, and they're pretty small, so I bet this will be good for the lower lash line as well. But wow, this is very unique. Here you can see what that wand looks like. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start applying it to one of my eyes. Right away, it just feels like the tiniest mascara wand ever because it only has the bristles on one side, which makes it seem even smaller, and the bristles are pretty short. So I don't think this is going to be a very quick mascara to apply. And I feel like I have to be like really careful and pay attention to each little hair that it's brushing through. But I mean, it is looking really good. It's getting all the lashes with no clumping and a nice dark black color. But I think it's a little bit difficult with it only having the bristles on one side of the wand because I just instinctively like twist and turn the wand as I'm applying it, and you have to just keep it kind of straight on one side. But this is having a beautiful effect on the lashes, and even though I thought it might take a while to apply, at least it does build up a lot of volume very quickly. Ooh, that looks really pretty. All right, I'm gonna try layering up those top lashes even more, but before I do that, I'm gonna try this out on the lower lashes. Ooh, yes. A really nice wand for the lower lashes because it's nice and small. It can coat all the lashes, and since you don't need that many coats for it to really emphasize the lashes, that works really well on my lower lashes. Now you can see them. They're separated but darkened. Great lower lash line mascara. And so I feel like I'm seeing a little bit of curl, but nothing super curling. So let's see how this layers up. If the lashes are gonna curl anymore, if they'll get more volumized. And it doesn't necessarily seem super lengthening. I feel like I might have to just kind of tap at the ends to help with that. I do like how it keeps the lashes very separated. And maybe that is because they are such small little bristles that it brushes through each individual lash to keep them nice and separated and evenly coated. So it does make the lashes look really good. And so I should stop here because then the lashes are going to start sticking together as I keep layering it on. And I'd like them to be more separated, but look at that. This is seriously exactly what I like my lashes to look like. Very dark, full, separated, and there's definitely curl happening, more so than other mascaras. So even if I were to use a curler before this mascara, I think it would be a really good combination. I did get a little bit of mascara on my under eye, but you can see it does just wipe away easily. It doesn't smudge. So if you do get mascara on your eyelid or under eye with this formula, just let it dry and you can easily brush it away. I'm going to go ahead and apply it to the other eye to get my final thoughts on it. I do really like how precise this wand is because these outer corner lashes that can be so hard to get are actually really easy to get with this little wand. All right, and here is my finished mascara. Well, I actually have a lot of mascara all over my eyelid on the left eye right now, but we'll let that dry. But besides that, mascara is applied and I really like this. I think it's just fact that IL Makiage makes really good mascaras. Oh, and of course now I want to try out even more mascaras from them. So if you've tried any other IL Makiage mascaras, definitely let me know your recommendations in the comments down below. But I am just loving how my lashes look right now. They look so full, volumized. I love that there's some curl, good length, but I just really love how even they're looking as well. So very happy with that wand after all. And it emphasizes the eyes so much. With this just being the only eye makeup that I'm wearing, it still gives such a glam look to the eyes. So very happy with this and I definitely recommend it. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.